Cheese.
It's Tress to Impress. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me styling baby girl's hair, and this style is actually the same parting style as my previous video. However, I am going to be focusing on how I curl train and moisture train her hair rather than two-strand twisting the hair. So I'm going to be working with the same for parting sections. If you missed how I got her hair into this parting style, then make sure you check the description box below for the link to the previous video of me styling her hair. As you can see, I have already hydrated her hair with my water spray bottle, and now I'm using my low tension detangling brush to comb through her hair. If you know the proper name of that brush, then please drop it down in the comments below so that I can call it by the correct name. Now I like to go in with my Demon brush and then neaten up my parts with a fine tooth comb. So if you are interested in the styling tools that I am using in this video or any of the products, I will have my Amazon storefront link down in the description box below, so that all you have to do is click on the link and then check out the list for kids hair care. Now I am adding Blue Magic to her roots, and her scalp is extremely healthy, but I like to add that product so that the base of her ponytails can have an extra shine. I like to use my fine bristle brush as the final styling tool before I secure the ponytail. So I go over it a few times and make sure it's extremely smooth, and I add a little bit of hair gel for even more shine. And also the hair gel gives the curls a little bit of definition as well. So I will apply enough gel for the roots and then a little bit to drag down to the ends of the hair as well. That is the only hair gel that I use on my hair or my daughter's hair. If you know, you know. Link is down below, honey. It is the best. No residue of any kind left in the hair. After securing the elastic band on her hair, I am proceeding with further detangling her hair with the fine tooth comb and then shingling her hair. So for more information on how I use the shingling method on her hair, I have a more detailed video that is also linked down in the description box. However, you can kind of see exactly what I'm doing, just pulling through small sections of the hair without finger coiling. And that is pretty much it. I am going to repeat those same steps on the last 3 sections of her hair. Please make sure that you check the links down in the description box below for all products used in this video and for related videos. Also, I like to always give the disclaimer to keep in mind that you are not watching this video in real time. I did speed up the video in editing, so it is difficult to see exactly how gentle I am being with her hair, but notice she is very calm, cool, and collected. So I am being extremely gentle with her hair. Enjoy the video, and I will be back once it's time to add bows. We are all done, you guys, just like that, just like that. And it is my favorite part, the time to add bows. So for this style, I'm just going to be adding one bow. Look, cheese. 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 And she has the cutest curly faux hawk style that just gets better as her curls dry and shrink up. And I absolutely love this style, especially in comparison to the 2-strand twist of the same parting style. Cheese. If you are still tuned in, this is just extra footage. This is what baby girl got into while I was not looking. I did not realize that the camera was still rolling. And y'all, she decided, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to be done. Let me just go ahead and hook up this last little section so that I can get out of this salon, honey. Because she got into the hair grease, rubbed it on her hair, rubbed it on her face. She had a comb, a brush. I mean, she was getting it together. Okay, do you hear me? Now, at this point, I was already readjusting the camera so that I could prepare to start filming her again and getting the camera light turned on and everything. So I was behind the camera at this point. But y'all, I was too outdone when I realized that she was sitting here literally trying to finish up this last section. Because who are you? And what gave you the confidence, honey? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share out this video to anyone and everyone. Let's run up these numbers, you guys. And let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the style and what styles should we try next. Bye.